football commissioner. Go to CBSSports.com. Welcome you back. Check it out. Peter Osterhouse. Peter. Tigers first for this week and for the season. Because a lot of the time he's hit it 320 yards, he might be just in the run. Well, he's